And here we have yet another interesting AMC car. Let's check it out. So this one is a 1981 AMC Spirit DL. This particular car was really the replacement for the Gremlin, so it was the successor to that car. Definitely has that fastback style like the Gremlin, just a little bit bigger. Basically similar underpinnings, but you got the kind of Eagle Concorde front end, but with a small fastback rear end. Cool little two-door car. Got these hubcaps that make it look like alloys, but they're just hubcaps. And we've got the famous AMC door handles. Got these really cool graphics, which are definitely of that time period. The three-tone blue little swoosh on it, kind of cool. Another one of these cars from Topol AMC in Kenosha. The AMC logo and the reflector right there. Now let's take a look at the interior. It is a sea of more blue. So you got the blue bucket seats, the armrest. You have a small back seat that does fold down. Got tilt steering, got your headlights, washers, air conditioning, AM, FM, with the floor shifter with this great wooden AMC shift knob. Does have the remote mirror for the passenger side. Quartz clock, just speedo, fuel, temp, kind of simple gauges. The AMC logo there. Lots of simulated wood grain. Now, interesting thing, this is of that era where it has manual windows but power door locks. You could option cars pretty much how you wanted back in these days. And under the hood, we've got the 258 inline 6. Does have a modern style air conditioning compressor that was retrofitted. Has this really neat kind of, I guess, aluminum ribbed 258 valve cover there. Let's start it up. And of course this has the really annoying buzzer. And this, like several of the other cars, has been sitting for a little while, so it runs, but it could definitely use from a tune-up. And of the great era where there are vacuum lines everywhere. Vacuum solenoids, lines, oh my gosh, they are so abundant. And oddly enough, this one has a check engine light, and it is on. I guess just because it probably, it kind of goes on and off. I know there's some vacuum switch, or I don't know what triggers that. The fact that probably just needs good tune-up to be running. Let's take it for a quick little drive. If you give it too much throttle, it kind of stumbles a little bit, Old cars that sit, especially these carburetors. There you go. There's the AMC Spirit. Quite an interesting car, but pretty cool. Definitely don't see these very often.